case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Wisconsin Supreme Court heard a case, Wausau Tile Inc. v. County Concrete Corp., focusing on the economic loss doctrine, which prevents manufacturers from being sued for purely economic losses resulting from defective products. Wausau Tile, a concrete paving block producer, sued Medusa Corporation and County Concrete Corporation in 1996 for alleged defects in its pavers, which led to property damages and personal injury claims. The court dismissed Wausau Tile's negligence and strict liability claims against Medusa based on the economic loss doctrine. This doctrine posits that the company's claims involved failed economic expectations and were therefore the province of contract law. Instead, Wausau Tile pursued breach of warranty and contract claims against Medusa. Third parties who were harmed by the defective pavers brought their own claims against Medusa, which might have led to travelers' involvement in defending Medusa in these cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.